like to join in there, you're very much invited. How are you doing? How are you doing? And we are going to have a 10-minute wrist exercises. They are great, you know, stretching the wrists. If you just want to do something good for yourself, we're going to take care of our wrists today. Hey Mama Jewel, hello and good morning. I'm a chick, but thanks. Oh, didn't know. Okay, sorry about that. We're in the process of, like, I'm thinking about creating a women's circle, but then of course a woman will lead it. So yeah. So we're taking care of the wrist right now. Oh, it's all good. Okay. That's good. Waves with your arms. Mama Jewel, how are you doing? Welcome in. So good to have you. I hope you have enough spoon. It's mine. I mean, right now you have a lot of spoons. That's wonderful. Good. And from there, I have everything a little bit written down because I'm going to record a video tomorrow. And right now, we're going to do this video together. And I'm excited. If you have any questions, if anything is unclear, let me know. So interlace your fingers and circle your wrist here. And yeah, it's great to have you here. It's great to have you here. Welcome. And if you have any questions, did you write me about the pranayama, or was that somebody else? I think it was somebody else, but I'm not sure anymore. You know, so many people write to me nowadays, so it's hard to... Doing well, first time in over a month that I'm not bedridden with extreme pain. So excited to be here and doing this with you. Awesome! Someone else, okay, someone else did. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, and Mama Trill, yeah, I'm excited to have you today. And it's going to be very, very easy, just 10 minutes. And I hope you enjoy it. In the end, there will be an exercise that is very, very cool, where you need a small object that we put in our hands, and I'm hoping you're excited for that. Good. Shake your wrists out, shake your elbows, shake your shoulders. Okay, just wrist circles right now, so make your fists and move your wrists like this. Just, you know, nice and easy. But don't underestimate this. You can find a lot of things, you know. You can maybe move your wrist a little bit uncoordinated and see where they can move to. Good job! So I'm very grateful, you guys. And we're going to have so many changes on the streams very, very soon, you know. And maybe I also like to integrate you guys more into the action, you know. So maybe with channel points, with any kind of things, and maybe with writing down a list on my door or something, like with the subscribers, everybody who supports me, you know, everybody that comes in. Yeah, a list with people that are coming in and participating in the yoga lessons. So we kind of like give points for the people that come in and participated in the yoga lessons. We could do that, you know. Good. How does that feel? Shake your wrists out, shake your elbows. And then extend your arms forward, make fists, and move your wrists up and down. By the way, I developed these exercises a little bit together with Kitten's Kung Fu. So we discussed about some wrist exercises. That's what we did. And not really developed the exercises together, but we discussed about the exercises in private. Move your wrists up and down, then bring your thumb in between your fist. Grab around with your hands and move up and down. Good. This is optional. You can also just grab around like normal, as you like it. Good job, everybody. If you have any questions, anything that is unclear to you, let me know about it. And by the way, we get painted walls up here very, very soon. I'm super, super excited. We're getting a new microphone here very, very soon. It's already here. I just don't have the time to install it at the moment. And I will go shirtless at one point to probably the first time I'm going to use the microphone. I'm going to do a shirtless stream, but then probably we'll leave that out just for some exercises. You know, it's great to show you guys like what am I doing with my belly button, what exactly is happening down here. And I always need to pull up my shirt. Shake your wrists out, shake your elbows, shake your shoulders. Good. By the way, big shout out to the wonderful Mama Chul. By the way, Lau, are you also a streamer? No, you're not, right? Big shout out to Mama Chul. Oh, that was, I missed exclamation mark there. I am, you do meditation? Oh, okay. So big, I'm going to check you out. I'm giving you a follow. I don't think I follow you already. That's cool that you do meditation. I'm going to check you out. Or do I follow you? But I don't even talk. Just meditate with my turtle in my room. Ah, that sounds amazing. That sounds amazing. Go check out Lau. And check out our hopefully beautiful turtle. What is the name of your turtle? What is the name of your turtle? And bring your right hand up, bring the thumb up, turn the thumb to the outside, fingers are pointing down. Wow, what did I do with my pen here? How did that happen? Do you see that? Do you see that? I kind of like painted myself with my pen. Okay, enough. The thumb is pointing outside, fingers are pointing down. Grab on from below to your thumb and push out with your shoulders, fingers are pointing down. Garf! But it's a girl turtle. Garf! That's all right. Cool. I'm going to check out your turtle. Or maybe we're going to check your turtle out on stream quickly after. Pushing out of your right shoulders, fingers are pointing down, breathing in deep. And breathing out, releasing. Shake your wrists out, shake your elbows, shake your shoulders, bring your other hand up. Thumb is pointing up, turn the thumb to the outside, fingers are pointing down. Grab on from below, push out from your left shoulders, fingers are pointing down. Breathing in deep. Breathing out. Breathing in deep. And out, release, shake your wrist out, shake your elbows, shake your shoulders. Yeah, and we're doing kind of like the stretch that we usually do on the floor with like fingers left, back, front, and so on. But right now we're doing it with standing or sitting or wherever you are. So bring your right hand up, fingers are pointing inwards, so to the left side. Bring your other hand on top of your hand and pull a little bit back. Push out of your shoulders. Good. Release, turn your hand around, pull a little bit back. How does that feel? Fingers are pointing up. Good. How? Hello. Draw back on your hand. And fingers are pointing down. Draw back on your hand. Good. Fingers are pointing to the right. Draw back with your hand again. Good. Fingers are pointing to the left. Draw back on top of your hand. Good job. And fingers are pointing down. Draw back with your hand. And upward. Draw back with your hand on top of your hand again. Release. Shake your wrists out. And other side. You got this. You got this, you guys. Not many more exercises and we're already through. Fingers are pointing in. Grab onto your fingers. Push out of your shoulders. We are stretching the wrist today. Turn around, top of your hand, pull back. Index finger pointing down, up, pull back. Hand, good. Push out of your shoulders, fingers are pointing down, grab on, pull back. Push out of your shoulders, pull back with your other arm. Good. Index finger points to the left, pull back. And how does that feel? And draw back with your hand here, push out of your shoulders. Don't go where there's pain, you know? If there's too much pain anywhere around, don't go there. Don't go there. Index finger pointing down, grab on, your other hand, push a little bit back, and then come up. Good. Release. Shake your wrists out, shake your elbows, shake your shoulders. How do your wrists feel right now? If you stay until the last exercise, it's going to really, really feel great. Good. Next exercise is we bring the arms forward. So we're going to do this for about 15 seconds. Push out of your shoulders, fingers are pointing to the back. Also draw the fingers back, push out of your shoulders. Draw the fingers to the back, push out of your shoulders. Breathe in deep. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Shake your wrists out. Great job. Bring your arms by your sides, pushing out of your wrists again, fingers pointing to the back. 10, 9, 8. Push out of your shoulders. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Release. One more time. Keep on standing. So keep standing. Bring your arms up. Push out of your shoulders. Fingers are pointing down. Draw your fingers down. Draw the belly in a little bit. Think about handstand here. Think about you're in handstand. Drawing your fingers down. Push out of your shoulders. Good job. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Good job. Shake your wrists out. Shake your elbows. Shake your shoulders. Oh, wait. Oh. There's a mistake in here. Huh? Okay, we're leaving one exercise. I need to check up on that. That's good that I saw that right now. We're going to need a small object right now. Dear friends, grab yourself, for example, your phone. I should have my phone in here, right? Yeah. My phone in here. Whoop. Where do you have your phone? Maybe you have it right next to you. And put it on your hand. And we're going to do the teacup exercise. So what it is, we're turning our hand and we're keeping our teacup, this is the teacup, always up, right? Turning our hand, your hand in, bring your hand around, and above your head and back. And you can move your whole body if you like. You can take a bigger stance if you need. Otherwise, you can just move your arm. How does that feel? Good. And again, we're going to send this little exercise to Shifu Shirley, and maybe she could create a little response, like really how to do that. That would be amazing. Or maybe we go to her stream, and maybe she's streaming right now. Ooh. And we ask her there. Good. So with one side right now, how does that feel? Keep your teacup upright, kind of like pointing up. Good. And then change your direction. There's 2 directions to go here. Good. And just feel how you can move like with something on top on your hand. There's not really an instruction needed, you know, on like, oh, how do I do this exactly? Because you have something on top of your hand, you exactly can move like in these 2 directions, either like this side along or the other side, and do both, you know. Good. Can also bring it more close in, making smaller circles. We can really make big circles, you know, big circles, straightening your arm, your whole arm. How does that feel? Good job. Change around, other side. Other side. Ooh. How does the other side feel? Really making sure that your whole wrist feels great in the end. What does your shoulder do when you're doing this? Good job. Smile, don't forget to smile. Taking care of your body shall feel good, you know? You can smile. Oof. Really just light object. Okay, I'll catch you later. Have a good one, Lo. Appreciate you coming in. take care of yourself. And this is the last exercise, by the way. So if you came until here, amazing, amazing, good. So of course you can also go further down and more up, more into your knees, and see what happens if you're doing that, and maybe stretching arms a little bit further or moving your body a little, seeing what you can do. Can you move out of the way of your hand, you know, it comes flying through you. Woo! Oh, need to move out of the way. Or maybe you can just stay in place, you know. Good job. Ooh, that was turned a little bit. And do one, you know, where you really take care of your teacup in the end. Good job. And slowly close it down. Wonderful. How did that feel to you guys? How did that feel to you guys? Teacup exercise. Amazing. And let me quickly, we're going to already close it down here slowly, you know? No pressure here, but we're going to close it down already. This was the exercises today. So if you manage to follow along,